everyone, good morning. Today I'm back with another interesting and beautiful story. But before starting this story, everyone join your hands and close your eyes for 2 minutes of silence. Now slowly open your eyes. You know, I have a surprise for you. Do you want to see what's the surprise? Everyone, close your eyes and count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, what's there? This is my pet. I'm sure some of you must be having pets at home, like a cat, a dog, a bird like I'm having, or a fish, or even a turtle and rabbit. And those who don't have, I'm sure they too must be feeding some animals like cat, cows, dogs, birds outside their home. So let me tell you about my pet parrot. She loves to eat fruits like apple, banana, guava and many more such fruits. And she loves to play with us like we all play with our friends. I love taking care of my pet like my mama takes care of me. But do you know, there was one friend of mine. His name was Pepper. And one day he got a new pet. He was very excited. Do you want to know which pet was that? So come on, let's hear the story and find out which pet he got and how he took care of his pet. Everyone, sit along with your buddy and hear this beautiful story. The name of the story is Pepper Gets a New Pet. We will turn each page one by one. So this is the first page. His name is Pepper. And who is she? She is Pepper's mother. And wow, see? Pepper's mom got a pet for Pepper. But is this a dog or a cat or a fish or a bird? It is a bird. His name is Budgie and he is a parrot. Now let us see what is Pepper talking to his new pet. Budgie, I am Pepper. Will you sing for me? So do you know that parrots sing very beautifully and Pepper wants that his friend Budgie should sing a song for him. Let's turn the page and find out what's next. Over here, Pepper's mother is saying something to Pepper. Let's find out what she is saying. She says, "Yes, Pepper, he will. But give Budgie some time. He's new here. Let me give him some water." So what she is holding? She is holding a cup full of water. But as Pepper was very excited and happy about his new pet, he wanted to give him water. So he said that, "I'll give him water, Mama." On hearing this, Mama was really happy and she said, "Very good, Pepper. You should always take care of your pet." So let's find out that whether Pepper gave water to his friend Budgie or not. Let's turn the page and find out. But suddenly he heard that his favorite cartoon show is coming on the TV. So he turned back to look what's coming. The next is the Ruffle Duffle show. And it was Pepper's favorite cartoon that was coming on the TV that time. He loved this cartoon so much that he got distracted. He forgot to give water to his new friend. Oh, see, he came here next to the television and he's busy watching and eating popcorn and laughing. Ha 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 ha. And he's enjoying his favorite cartoon. So now let's turn the page he was busy watching his favorite cartoon and said, "Whoa, I loved that." Now let's find out what's next. Oh, there is a new cartoon, see, which is up next. And it says, "And now a new show, Buggle the Wise Little Budgie." As soon as Pepper heard the name Budgie on the television, he quickly remembered, "Oh, I forgot about my pet Budgie. I didn't give him water." So he quickly got up and... Oh, what happened to Budgie? He is not sitting on his perch. He is there lying on the floor of his cage. And see, Pepper is crying. He's very sad. He's calling out his name, "Budgie, Budgie, Mama, please come for help. Look what happened to Budgie." Now let's turn the page and find out what happened to Budgie. Budgie, Budgie, please get up. Pepper was crying very badly, and on hearing that Pepper is crying and saying something, Mama came running and asked, "What's the matter?" Oh dear. She saw Budgie, who was there lying on the floor of his cage and not moving. Let's find out what happened to Budgie. Now, Pepper's mama was really smart and she loved all the animals. So she quickly thought and said, "Stop crying, Pepper. Budgie is just hot and thirsty. Let's give him some water." See, what is this? This is a small vessel or a bowl in which there is no water. So that means that Budgie didn't had any water when he was thirsty. Now let's find out what will happen next. Pepper's mama was really worried and asked, "Pepper, I wonder why Budgie's dish is dry. You gave him water, didn't you?" And Pepper said, No, Mama. I went off to watch TV." Now Pepper was really worried for his friend Budgie because it was his mistake that he didn't give him water to drink, and he asked to his mom, "Mama, will Budgie die? We need to take him to the hospital or to a doctor so that he will give him medicine and he will be fit and fine." On seeing that Pepper was getting very worried, Mama replied, "No, Pepper, nothing will happen to your friend Budgie. But when we have a pet, we must take good care of him." And Pepper realized his mistake. He understood that he didn't took good care of his pet Budgie. And then he promised to his mom and Budgie and to himself that from today I will take good care of my pet Budgie. I know you all must be very sad, and I'm also sad for this little Budgie. So what we will do? We will join our hands and close our eyes and pray to God. God, please, please, please help this Budgie, and let's find out what happens next. Oh, see, Budgie is back. He's fit and fine. And what is he eating? He's eating green chilies. Parrots love chilies. So Pepper is giving his friend Budgie chilies to eat. And he's taking good care of him. He's talking to his pet and he's taking really good care of his pet. Whoa, it was such a beautiful story. We learned about that if we have any pet, we should always take good care of them. We should play with them. We should give them food, water, and talk to them. and keep them really happy because they are like our family members. Hope you all really enjoyed the story. Just like my Mitty loved the story. Oh, she is yawning. It's time for her sleep. So, see you next time. I will be back with another such interesting story. Bye.